What's up, guys, and welcome back to DeeterPlays. So we've got some Roblox news here for you, some different things that we're going to keep you updated about. But before we get into the news, as always, I'd like to let you know that throughout this video, there is going to be a code that is hidden. And the first person to find those 12 digits for that hidden code and enters the digits at roblox.com/gamecard/redeem is going to get a free virtual item within Roblox. So this virtual item actually comes from the Series 6 Celebrity Series. So I couldn't find online yet because it's not available what they are because these are so new. So whatever the virtual item is, it's a mystery. I'm not sure exactly what it is. So good luck to you guys who are watching the video. And yeah, so in future videos, we're going to make sure that we give away some more of these. So if you guys are subscribed and you got the notification bell on, that increases your chances of being notified and coming in early and being able to find these codes. Speaking of which, I'm going to give you the first number for the code is 3. Okay, first number for the code is 3. Second number is 0. So we've got 30 are the first 2 digits for the code already. So now moving on to what we've got over here. So earlier this week, they released a free item here for a promo code. I made a video just dedicated to this item, but just in case you guys did not see that video, if you didn't have the notifications on, and you just watched my Roblox news videos, I wanted to let you know how to get this. This is absolutely free. It is a promo code that you can get. It looks like it's a whole back to school theme, but if you go to roblox.com/promo codes and you enter this right here, it's Toy Are You Backpack. It's backpack. I put the another B there. So Toy Are You Backpack 2020. I'm not sure if this is like a promotion for Toys R Us. It doesn't seem to make sense because Toys R Us went out of business. But when you do this and you click on redeem, it says for me code already redeemed because I've already redeemed it. But then if yours has not been redeemed yet, it will say code successfully redeemed, and then you will have this fully loaded backpack right there in your inventory. All right. So the next 2 digits are 28, guys. Next 2 digits are 28. So we've given you 4 digits so far, and now we can move on to the next in Roblox news. So something we've been talking quite a bit about since they kind of released the information in May that they were going to be doing this again. Roblox battles right here. It says we came up with some amazing ideas to make season 2 even better, but we need more time. So it sounds like there's going to be some new ideas, maybe more games, more things within the games, but it says we're delaying the release of season 2 until November, but it will be even more epic. So good news and bad news right there, that RB Battles is going to be even more epic. It's an event that we've all been kind of looking forward to for quite some time, but season 2 now is not coming out until November. Originally it was going to be mid-September when it was going to come out, but I think they were probably trying to get close, coming up with new ideas, brainstorming some things, and they just were like, hey, we just can't do it yet. We need a little bit more time. So they're going to add another couple of months onto that. And you can see Creekcraft right here. He comments, "See you boys and girls on the battlefield." We know Creek won it last year. Creek's been doing amazing, so we'll see if he ends up winning it again this year. I know I'm probably going to want to vote for him this time because I know how MLG he is, and I know that my username's this, just can't compete. At least not in Jailbreak is what we saw. He gave him the L's. But from seeing what they posted back in May, when they were trying to get people to come here and join as part of this collaboration, they put up a lot of information here. They kind of hinted at how much they liked Ready Player One. That was a massive event that Roblox set up for quite some time, and they were trying to get a whole bunch of different games. Now, it looks like there's been over 10 different games that have signed on, things from Piggy, Jailbreak, other things, and throughout this thread, you can see a lot of different developers trying to submit their games. Now, I'm not sure exactly how many games they're going to have as a part of this process, but it's looking like there's going to be a lot of games as a part of this process, and when we participate into it, it looks like a lot of these missions that they're going to be doing are also going to be missions that we as players here in the Roblox community are going to be able to go in there and we're going to be able to play them as well. So this is something that I'm really looking forward to, and when this event does happen, I will make sure that I am covering it on this channel, show you how to get any free items if there's items available, how to do any voting, and also probably live streams when they have some releases of videos and things. So yeah, really looking forward to this happening now in November instead of September, unfortunately. So as far as movies on Roblox, you already saw the Wonder Woman event just recently. In case you guys haven't known, you go in there and you can actually see a trailer for the new Wonder Woman movie. And we'll show you a little example here in just a second, but the next 2 digits are 7, 9, guys. All right, so that's half the digits so far. Good luck to everybody. But over here, you can see the Wonder Woman 84 Premiere. It starts playing as soon as you go in there. I'm not sure if you have to like click on it or what. Generally, it'll start playing automatically, but I don't see it playing right now. But on this screen, you would come in and you see all these different things, any movies and things that are playing. There we go. There we go. So right there, you can actually start seeing the preview to the Wonder Woman 1984 movie. So just like this, there's other movies, it looks like, that other people have been able to upload. There's been some sample videos here, like one says we're watching. Basically, the ones that have been uploaded so far as sample ones are basically ones that are themed around Roblox. You know, I think they're gonna have to check copyright stuff, but it's sounding like some people at this point can opt in to a beta program where in beta they can start uploading videos and put videos inside of their games. So people can kind of run around. It might change the whole atmosphere of what we're seeing in Roblox, but right here you can see the type is a video, and then when you go in there and you play it, you can actually get this as an asset and you can add it to your game if you wanted to, but when you go in there you can see a little video. So this might change the scenery here in Roblox quite a bit when we start going into games and seeing videos that are being played automatically, just like we saw here in the Wonder Woman event. Of course, there keeps being updates to this Wonder Woman event. A lot of people not as enthused about this as they were when it first came out, but there's still a bunch of quests in there. Looks like if you get all the quests done, there's even some more that I haven't covered yet. Oh, I might make a video to show you guys how to do those quests. Let me know if you want me to do that. As far as like free items that pop up, I will put the link to this one in the description. So there is this bundle that popped up named Skylar. It's kind of like slightly different. You can see there's just a little bit rounded edges on the shoulders, and it looks like what comes with this bundle is this hair, which we already were able to get for free in the past. So it doesn't really seem like it's anything kind of new because it's got this down-to-earth hair, which was already free, and then it's just basically a normal bundle. So that's why when this came out and it was free, I didn't make a dedicated video just say, hey guys, this is free, but I did want to let you guys know about it just in case you wanted to get it. Link is in the description. So it's got the down-to-earth hair, and then it's got a slightly different look for the body as well. Now, bubble chats here in Roblox, there's a little bit more open leeway here for the developers and what they can do with the bubble chats and how they can kind of pop out and how they can look inside of games. So there's brand new visuals for them. There's animated transitions, so you can see in this little sample here in the bubble chats, you can see the bubble sort of kind of pops up and floats out, and then kind of the way it comes in is a little bit different, so they can start changing the behavior. Now, this isn't something you can change as a player, but it's something that you as a developer can play or change inside of your game, and it will affect the way the players end up playing the game and what they end up seeing. But they can change font, they can start changing color, background color, the bubble duration, how it pops out. So there's going to be a release plan going on. There's probably going to be a little bit of beta testing going on at first, and then after you're interested in enabling it, so you have to reply to this. So I'm going to put the link to this little post here from the dev forum in the description as well. But it's another visual thing that's going to coming here to Roblox that is going to look really, really cool. And as far as beta features, basically, there's a new feature called Level of Detail Property for Models. So when a workspace is streaming enabled, basically parts outside of a certain radius are not going to load as much or be as visible. And then as you kind of walk forward in the environment, they will become more visible. But this idea is to try to make things a little bit more visible and kind of open up the radius so people can see more stuff inside the game. So as you can see here in this little sample right here, you can see in the background, there's not as much detail. The detail of all the stuff has not loaded as much, where in this picture right here with the streaming mesh enabled, you can see in the back, you can see these trees, these are loading in, and it all just looks visually more appealing. So the environments overall in general, again, this is another reason that Roblox is just going to be looking better and better in the future. So this is another thing that's going to be starting here in beta, and will kind of roll out slowly, and we will start seeing it in more and more games, and it will enhance the visibility of the platform overall. So guys, let me give you the last numbers here. 1, 2, 9 are the next three numbers for this thing right here. Okay, so you guys got your fully loaded backpacks. Make sure you got all your free stuff here. And if there's other free stuff coming, I will make sure I make videos and let you guys know in the future and keep you guys updated with other things as far as Roblox news is concerned. The next two numbers are 2, 2, and you know what? I've given you guys 11 of the numbers. I think whoever can guess the last number and enter it first can have it. So you guys try to figure out the last number yourselves. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later.